Welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki, and today we're sharing our top 12 consumables that we use in our garage workshop.
We've been working together for 8 years, and these are our go-to items for things that we use up and always buy again.
So stick around as we share those 12 items and where we buy them.
Number 1 is disposable gloves. We've bought them at various places over the years, but our go-to now is Costco, and they're in the first aid medical area, and these are great for so many reasons. We use them a lot when we're painting or when we're doing something with harsh chemicals that might hurt our hands, or just times that we just don't want to have to constantly be washing our hands. So it's our go-to item, and we always keep them on hand.
Number 2 is we buy wood glue by the gallon, and we do this because I prefer to put that wood glue into a Rockler glue keeper and use a silicone brush to brush it on, so it makes it way easier just to have it poured in and you're ready to go.
Number 3 is also glue related. It is baby wipes. So when we are working with wood and we are gluing up a project, this is the best way to, baby wipes are the best way to clean off that glue, excess glue on the wood project. We also use them for cleaning our table. This was dirty right before we started. We cleaned it up with baby wipes. So we buy them typically at Costco, and again, they're in like the medical section.
Number 4 are shop towels. Now, shop towels are nothing more than paper towels on steroids. They are really good and they're really thick, and we always have them handy on our wall control wall on the paper towel holder. And again, we buy those at Costco by the 12 pack, so it's a lot, and we store them and we use them all the time.
Number 5 is paint sticks. Now, you've probably gotten one free when you buy a gallon of paint, but you know what? You're gonna need to stir that gallon more than once from my experience. So you can buy them by the 10 pack at Home Depot, and they're very inexpensive. You can also buy 5-gallon paint sticks, and then you can also buy little craft sticks, which are great, which we do use, but we need more than 10 at a time, so we buy them online by the bigger pack.
By the 1,000 or 500.
Yes.
Number 6 are disposable paint rollers. Now, these are not going to replace your really good brushes or rollers, but they're great when you just have a small project and you don't want to have to deal with the cleanup, so you can just get those out, do what you need, and you're done. Now, we got these at the Dollar Tree back when they were still $1. You can't get them anymore there, but there are many places that you can get them and have them on hand, so it's always great to have a couple on hand for those smaller projects.
Number 7 is the only thing we don't actually purchase, and these are t-shirt rags. So we keep our old t-shirts, and when we no longer want to wear them, we'll cut them up using a rotary cutter, and we will use them for applying stain to projects. So these are perfect for staining projects, and then after we've used it, just throw it away and we're good to go.
Number 8 are epoxy supplies. Now, I like to use epoxy, and epoxy, if you ever used it, is very messy and it's very sticky and it's very hard to reuse things. But you can reuse plastics. So I like to buy these measuring cups at the Dollar Tree, and I can get quite a few uses out of them before eventually the epoxy will get stuck in there and I can't get it out, or a handle will break, so they are really good to have. We get these smaller measuring cups, which I like for smaller pours, on Amazon, and we also have gotten several other things for epoxy from Amazon as well.
Number 9 is sandpaper. Now, our go-to is Sandnet by Diablo, and this looks a little different than what you're probably used to seeing, but let me tell you, it works really well, and they do eventually wear out and we throw them away, but we always have a good variety of different grits on hand, and recently they came out with a new version that actually just velcros to a sanding block, so we also have those on hand.
Number 10 is Crud Cutter by the gallon. Now, there's a lot of things in a workshop that have to be cleaned up, and I have found that Crud Cutter does a really good job on all of those things. So we buy it by the gallon. It's a concentrate, so you just mix it up in a smaller container and you are good to go, and it lasts quite a while.
Number 11 is plastic razor blades. Now, we bought these on Amazon. We have a set at each of our houses, and it came with, I think, 200 replacement blades. So we are good for a while, but these are great for anything that you need to kind of razor blade up. So we use it, sometimes we get drips on things or dried things, and we use them a lot for taking the stickers off of wood or any kind of products that we have. And we do eventually need to throw away the blades, but we have 200 on hand, so we're set for a while.
Number 12 are puppy pads. Now, we do not have a puppy. Steph does have a greyhound, but
she's my puppy.
But she doesn't need puppy pads, but we do need them here in the garage. And we use them a lot for painting or anything where there's water that you may need to catch drips, like you're under the sink, you can put one under there. We actually have used them when repairing a toilet where we needed to get the water out of the back of the toilet or inside, and you just put those in there. So they are super to have on hand for messy things, messy water things.
So those are the 12 items that we use and rebuy and use and rebuy.
Yes, over and over and over.
Yes. So let us know, are these some items that you're going to add to your list? Are there things that you want to add to our list? And if you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at mother.projects.com. Also, we send out a weekly newsletter with all of the projects that we're working on and links to our current projects. So you can sign up for that right here and in the description. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.